Now in this small video, let's just quickly see how to convert a binary number to octal number system, right? As you can see on my screen, convert the question given the binary number to octal. Let's see how it is very easy to convert a binary number to octal. Step 1. Divide the binary digits in the set of 3 like this. How it can be divided? Just see. 010, 011, 100 and the last 2 digits are left. So that will also form a set, assuming that here comes a 0. Right? Let's assume that there is a 0 and this is how we can complete the set of 3 digits. Right? Now what is next? You have to find the decimal equivalent for all these 3 sets. Means for 010, we know when we convert 010, this becomes in decimal, this becomes 2. So similarly you have to convert each set 011. So this becomes 3. When you convert each set, you get it like this: 2, 3, 4, 3. Right? Now this all you have to write together: 2, 3, 4, 3, and this becomes the answer. Hope it was helpful. If you really like my video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye-bye.